Cross. A geometrical figure consisting of two straight lines or bars intersecting each other such that at least one of them is bisected by the other. Heraldry: any geometric figure having this or a similar shape, such as a cross of Lorraine or a Maltese cross. A wooden post with a perpendicular beam attached and used, especially in the Roman Empire, to execute criminals, by crucifixion. Usually with the cross on which Christ was crucified. Christianity: a hand gesture made in imitation of the shape of the cross. Christianity: a modified representation of the crucifixion stake, worn as jewelry or displayed as a symbol of religious devotion. Figurative: from Christ's bearing of the cross, a difficult situation that must be endured. The act of going across, the act of passing from one side to the other. Biology: an animal or plant produced by crossbreeding or cross-fertilization. By extension, a hybrid of any kind. Boxing: a hook thrown over the opponent's punch. Soccer: a pass in which the ball travels from by one touch line across the pitch. A place where roads intersect and lead off in four directions, a crossroad, common in UK and Irish place names such as Gerrard's Cross. A monument that marks such a place. Also common in UK or Irish place names such as Charing Cross. Obsolete: a coin stamped with the figure of a cross, or that side of such a piece on which the cross is stamped, hence, money in general. Obsolete: Ireland, church lands. A line drawn across or through another line. Surveying: an instrument for laying of offsets perpendicular to the main course. A pipe fitting with four branches whose axes usually form a right angle. Rubik's cube: four edge cubies of one side that are in their right places, forming the shape of a cross. Cartomancy: the 36th Lenar MAND card. Slang: crossfire. Transverse: lying across the main direction. Archaic: opposite, opposed to. Now rare: opposing, adverse, being contrary to what one would hope or wish for. Bad-tempered: angry, annoyed. Made in an opposite direction, or an inverse relation, mutually inverse, interchanged. Archaic: a cross-cross product of the previous vector and the following vector. To make or form a cross. To move relatively. Social: to oppose. Biology: to cross-fertilize or crossbreed. Transitive: to stamp or mark, a check, in such a way as to prevent it being cashed, thus requiring it to be deposited into a bank account. C R O S S Cross.